you ever grow anything in the garden of your mind? You can grow ideas in your mind. You can think about things and make believe things. All you have to do is think about them, and they'll grow.
Hi guys! So, I forgot to make an intro for this day as the very forgetful person that I am. Pero ayun, as you can see, I'm getting ready kasi pupunta tayo ng school today kasi meron kaming reporting. And actually, this was a week, I think, or a few days before my majors. Kaya, I also decided to go to school, I think, 2 or 3 hours early, or maybe an hour early than my oblicon class para makapag-review din ako ng notes. So yeah, that's gonna sum up my day today.
Basta kahit Mrs. Shine. Pero anong ginawa mo? Magkano lang binenta mo yung bahay at lupa? At kung kanin-kanino mo lang din naman yung binenta nang hindi humihingi ng permiso sa akin. At saka ngayon, kayo pang umaasta na parang ako yung may kasalanan dito?
Romerie.
Kamay mo.
Sali niyo po.
Kasi sinasayip ko lang.
Designated photographer.
I really wanted to include this clip kasi I just wanted to remind myself to be always grateful and thankful for the people around me kasi I just look at me guys. Puro ako tawa dyan. So, yeah. And if you have your friends as well, be very grateful kasi they're one of a kind. Hello, mic test. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good.
How was your day?
Wanna do well.
How ready do you think I am for tomorrow's exam? Rate 1 to 10.
7,
Why?
because you said that the only review not so good.
Do you think I'll do well tomorrow?
What?
Do you think I'll do well tomorrow?
I hope so. And God will trust. Just pray and do your best. Yes.
Do you think I deserve to go out if I do well tomorrow?
I agree.
Yes? Do you think iiyak ako tomorrow?
I hope so. 90.
You hope na iiyak ako tomorrow?
I hope so. 90.
Ah. Do you like my new purchases for my room?
Yes, I like those things.
Why?
It's giving very aesthetic girl.
Do you think, wait, mag-isa pa ako ng question. Do you think I deserve to go shopping if I do well tomorrow?
Maybe.
Yes or no lang?
Yes.
How much is the limit if I'll shop and I do good?
5,000. I did your ass kanina an hourglass. Do you know anybody that materialistic? I said yes.
I'm not materialistic.
No, I did not say your name. I just said that yes, and then she answered. Oh, good. Good to know.
Are you saying I'm materialistic?
You are being materialistic in a good way naman.
How
That's what
how what in a- how do you say so na in a good way? When people say na you're materialistic, it means parang maano ka sa things, like magastos ka.
Materialistic in a good way, like hurt, like yung winabay mo ng mga things is really, it's really something that you really need to use every day.
Kumbaga, it's practical.
Yeah, it's being practical, not just in a sense na parang you're buying things just for clout and just to be
Just
in
for the
trend.
clout.
Yeah.
Do you like my new mic?
Yeah, I like it.
Why?
Pinky.
It's very me.
Yes.
Do you agree?
I agree. Double thumbs up.
Hi guys. So, today is day 2 of the exams. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kahapon kasi exams yun ng majors namin. And I just really wanted to focus that day. Kasi very madugo ang majors namin, guys. As an accounting student. So, yeah. Anyway, this is the fit. I can show you the bottom. But yeah, anyway, this is the fit. So, I'm just wearing this loose Uniqlo shirt and skirt. Kasi we're in the Philippines and hindi ka makakapagsuot ng skirt. So, I'm wearing a skirt and just sandals lang. Kasi, nakikita nyo ba? Super init. Parang hindi tayo nasa Baguio, guys. So, yun. Alis na ako and actually, kailangan ko pa mag-review. It's already 10:35. Ano ba? Or going 10:40 na. So, yeah. And I have an exam at 12:50 and I need to go kasi kailangan ko pa reviewin yung isang subject ko dun. Let's go. Hello, guys. So, today is the 3rd and final day of exams, and actually I'm running late. I have an exam at 8:50 for my PE class. And it's already, I think, 8:13 or 8:14. Anyway, it's time to run. My fit is just basic baggy jeans and sobrang favorite ko to. I think I've worn this multiple times, so I'm definitely getting the other colors na baka sabihin nila ginawa ko ng uniform. Anyway, this is the look. And yeah, tonight din kasi kakain kami sa labas with my friends just to commemorate the final day of exam. Tapos na ang second sem. So yeah, this is the look. And I gotta run. Yeah, bye! Guys, katatapos lang ng exam namin. How do you feel?
I feel below the soil because I feel like I'm underwater. Why? Because, oh my God, the exam in my brain. I feel like not brain, yes, I feel like my brain came out of my head.
Thank you. How do you feel? Are you still alive after the exam? What's that? I-read ako sa inyo. If may kakilala kayo. Hello.
Wala pa sila ko tsara. Ay,
Anong sa kotse? Unjust enrichment.
Ay, may knowledge kayo.
Kaya nga. Oh, kahit na. Unjust enrichment pa rin kasi
Oo.
for tuition.
May disbursement ba? Wala naman.
What? Disbursement?
Ano ba yun?
Nabayaran lang natin is 15. Tapos yung shrimp namin, hindi namin kinain ng buo. Kaya? Pati yung tahaw, hindi natin kinain. Balat yun.
Ay, nakaiba kasi yung balat na.
Hindi yung balat. Wait, it's getting 9 na pala.
Isn't it supposed to be it's getting late? Getting nice.
Grabe na ang English niya.
Hi guys, so today is the day after the exams and I did my lashes. I did my own lashes. Anyway, today we will be going out kasi mag-uukay kami ng langaw guys. Mag-uukay kami ng mga friends ko and today then is bababa na ako for I think 2 weeks. Or is it really 2 weeks? I don't know. Pero bababa ako and yeah, today is the day that we go out and about. I think mag-uukay kasi kami pero gusto rin kasi sana ni Mami mag-ukay kaya lang dadating sila mamayang hapon na. So medyo alanganin yung oras. So magdadala na lang ako ng extra just in case may mahanap ako na bagay sa kanya para mabibila natin siya and hindi siya mamangkot. So anyway, let's go. Mainit kaya I'm just very pero mag-cover up naman ako kasi baka masyadong revealing siya. Anyway, let's go.
So, eto si Kain Girl. Sarap na sarap. Masarap siya. Masarap yan. Talaga. Nagpapaka-turista kami ngayon sa Baguio, guys. Kunwari lang, turista kami. Pero native kami dito. Dapat mag-practice na tayo para may discount na tayo sa mga ukay. Tignan natin yung powers ni Des kung gagana. Let's go. Uy, gumana kaya kanina? Kanina lang. What if ngayon hindi?
Hello guys.
So, Hilltop to, no? Guys, welcome to Hilltop. Feeling change of plan, guys. Mga indecisive kasi yung mga kasama ko. Kaya, nagpabago-bago yung decision. Ganun talaga yung mga tao ngayon, di ba? Sabi namin, mag-hilltop. Sabi lang namin pala. Guess where kung saan kami? Pakita mo. Sa inasal kami. Nasa inasal kami.
Gutom na kasi kami guys.
So, time check. Ito. Oh, ganda no? 4:22. 4:22 p.m.
na kasi guys.
And maglo-close na din.
Oo. Kaya napag-desisyon na namin na dito na lang kami kumain.
Cancel na lang. Kasi susunduin siya. Sana all sinusundo, di ba?
So, today is a Saturday and we're gonna get a facial ni Mami. May parang bagong aesthetic clinic yata sa Cab. So, we're gonna check it out. And galagay lang ako ng sunscreen kasi grabe yung init dito. Sobrang init. Tapos, I tried commuting someday this week. Parang I think, last Monday. I commuted last Monday and sobrang init, grabe. Hindi ko maintindihan. Ang aga pa naman ng like 10 pa lang yata or going 11 pa lang. Grabe yung init na nakaka-stress siya, hindi siya nakakaganda. Anyway, I just put a bit of sunscreen on. Hindi na tayo mag-makeup since magpapaayos nga tayo ng face. So, I'm just gonna put lip balm as well. Always naman naka-pearl tayong stud. So, yan na lang din. Medyo nagmamadali na ako kasi si Mami, parang lagi kapag kinakausap ko kayo na nandito ako is nagmamadali ako lagi. Pero yeah, medyo nagmamadali ako kasi pauwi na si Mami and hindi ko kasi nasagot yung tawag niya kanina so medyo high blood si Mother. So ayun. And nagmamadali akong onte kasi dadaanan niya lang ako kasi meron siyang pasok ng Sabado for some reason na hindi ko alam bakit. May pasok siya, so dadaanan na lang ako, then diretso na kami ng Cab.
Kasi tinan mo, si Tito Roy mo. Roy, alika nga. Ay, hindi ko makita. Hindi, sabi ko, Romy, si Roy. Sabi ko nga, ay, teka lang ma'am, tawagin ko. Di tinawag niya si Roy. Sister, bakit?
Nakalimutan mo yung sasabihin mo.
Ano ba kasi kanina pa kita tinatawag, hindi ko na tuloy maalala kung ano sasabihin ko sa'yo. Sabi ko gano'n, 9:30 yun. Tapos, 9:30. Naalala ko yung sasabihin ko sa kanya. Nawala naman, di ba? Usually, naalala natin yung sasabihin natin. Dahil meron tayong, yung hinawakan natin yung mga bagay na nagpapaalala sa atin ng sasabihin. Hindi ko naman, naalala na hinawakan pong bagay. Tapos, naalala ko lang siya ng bigla
na lang
Oo.
umana sa utak.
Sabi ko, Roy, alika, ito naalala ko na. Kailangan ko lang sabihin sa'yo. Bumuha ka ng gansa. 4:30 ko siya naalala.
PM?
PM. Medyo nakaka-frustrate. Tapos, nung huli, kaya ako medyo nalungkot. May mga pinapipirmahan yung mga staff. Binigay na daw sa akin yung mga papel. Sige, kakabinigay niyo na. Sige, ano na to? Talaga ba ito pina-approve niya sa akin? Sige, approvein ko na kahit di ko nakikita yung papel. Nandito lang yun. Baka pinamaringas ko na. Pinag-approve ko na siya kahit di ko pa siya nakikita. Kaya yun. Yun yung sasabihin ko sa Europe.
Baka nga mayroon kang memory lag na.
Tapos
As
yung
a
laman
side
ngayon ng isip ko, yung bang light siya, yung yung ayaw niya mag-load ng mabigat. Parang, para siyang yung ala siya, yung para ba siyang
Feeling ko talaga side effect siya nung iniinom mo. Parang hindi ka ma-stress.
siguro nga, parang,
Oo, para hindi
yung
ka
hindi siya
mag-isip.
mabigat, hindi siya mabigat, parang,
As a side effect.
kwan siya. Siguro nga yun, para hindi siya
Hindi siya
ma-pressure.
mag-work, gano'n na
ma-pressure. Necessary.
Pero wala kang parang nagiging gano'n na mindset na, bakit ako? Siya nga ganito, ganyan.
Wala. Yun ang thankful ako kay Lord na, bakit ako? Ang tanong ko lang kay Lord, hindi naman tanong, ang kuwan ko lang kay Lord yung bang tulungan niya ako parang to survive, parang dugtungan pa, yung gano'n, yung magpatuloy, not backwards, gano'n. Parang bakit, yung mga bakit kasi parang backwards yun yung gusto mong halukayin yung nangyari. Bakit? Kasi bakit? Pag nagtanong ka ng bakit, babalikan mo yung senaryo, kung ano yung mga nangyari, at dudularutin mo kung bakit nangyari, diba? At pagka tinignan mo kung bakit nangyari, meron kang iduduro na kasi dahil dito di ba? Kasi kapag kasi may bakit, meron kasi, di ba? Kaya kung sa loob-loob ko, yun yung nangyari. So, wala na akong way para balikan pa, kundi patuloy na. So, ito na yun. Ano yung dapat kong gawin? Tapos yun.
Color green.
Bakit ako muna?
Wala na, black nga eh. Uno. Uno. Wala na.